Hello and welcome. Today we're going to step away from the everyday and jump right into a world of pure whimsy and nature. Let's get totally lost in the enchanted forest of the Fairycore aesthetic.
I mean, who hasn't, right? If you've ever just imagined yourself with little gossamer wings surrounded by twinkling lights and mossy stones, then you are in exactly the right place. We're about to make that daydream a reality.
So, first things first. What exactly is this magical trend that's popping up everywhere? Let's uncover the secrets of Fairycore together.
Okay, so at its heart, Fairycore is an aesthetic that's all about capturing that magical, natural look and feel of fairies. It's not about realism at all, it's about leaning into escapism and your imagination. It's basically your own personal fairy tale.
You've probably heard of cottagecore, yeah? Well, think of Fairycore as its slightly more mystical, sparkle-loving cousin. You know, they both love nature, but they just hang out in different parts of the forest.
This breaks it down so perfectly. Cottagecore is super cozy and tamed, kind of like a neat little garden. Then you have goblincore, which is wonderfully feral and embraces the messy side of nature, like old logs and cool bones. But Fairycore? Oh, that's all about the magical, pretty, and ethereal side of the woods. To really get the look, you'll want to surround yourself with soft pastels. Think lavender and mint green, plus tons of flowers and super delicate fabrics like lace. And of course, you absolutely need magical motifs. We're talking butterflies, mushrooms, and sparkling crystals.
And get this isn't some new feeling. Way back, like over 100 years ago, people in the Victorian era were also obsessed with fairies. It was their way of escaping the stress of a world that just felt a little too serious. So if you're feeling the need for a little magic today, you're part of a really long tradition. All right, so now that we know the vibe, how do we actually bring it to life? Let's gather up all the essentials and transform your room into a true fairy tale haven.
Okay, get ready, because we're about to go on a super quick and fun tour of all the things you need to create the most enchanting room ever. Let's do this.
First up, vines. Fake ivy garlands are your secret weapon. Seriously, you can drape them along your windows, wrap them around a mirror, or even create a canopy dripping from the ceiling. It's the fastest way to bring that forest feeling indoors. Lighting is so crucial for setting the mood. You want everything to have this soft, magical glow. So think fairy lights, obviously, but also things like salt lamps, candles, and cute kitschy lamps you can find at a thrift store. It's all about that warm, cozy, atmospheric vibe. To add a layer of softness, you've got to have gauzy fabrics. Sheer materials like tulle or chiffon are perfect for curtains, or you can drape them over your bed to create this romantic, cloud-like canopy. It makes the light look so dreamy when it shines through. You can't have a fairy forest without mushrooms. It's like a rule. They are an absolute must for getting that earthy, whimsical feel. Look for cute little figurines, mushroom-shaped lamps, really anything with a mushroom pattern. They add such a playful, magical touch. And finally, let's add a touch of old-world elegance with some antique mirrors. An ornate, vintage-style frame can make your room feel like a secret corner of a magical castle. Plus, it reflects all that beautiful, soft light you've already set up. And just remember this one key motto. Fairycore is not for minimalists. Nope, it's all about layering textures, patterns, and all your unique little collections. So have fun with it and fill your space with everything that feels magical to you. Okay, now for my absolute favorite part. The most special pieces in any room are always the ones you make yourself. So let's explore some easy DIY projects to truly personalize your little fairy sanctuary. First up, a total classic, pressed flowers. This is such a beautiful way to preserve a little piece of nature. All you do is press your favorite flowers in a heavy book for a couple of weeks, and then you can use them to decorate cards, picture frames, literally anything you want. It really is that simple. You just start with a stack of books and you end up with gorgeous, one-of-a-kind art. It's such a perfect way to bring the outdoors inside.
How cool is this? You can make your own glowing mushrooms with just a glue gun and some LED lights. By building up the stem and creating a little cap with hot glue, you end up with your very own piece of enchanted, glowing decor. So awesome.
Okay, this is such a clever little trick for adding privacy while still letting in all that beautiful, dreamy light. You just make a simple paste with cornstarch and water, paint it on your window, press on a piece of lace, and seal it with another layer. It looks so elegant, and the best part? It's totally removable.
So after all that, what's the big takeaway here?
Ultimately, creating this look isn't about following a bunch of strict rules. It's really about having fun and expressing your own unique sense of magic.
So just keep these 3 simple things in mind. 1. Embrace nature. 2. Don't be afraid to go all out. More is definitely more. And 3. Get crafty. The things you make yourself are what will make your space truly yours.
So now it's your turn. Your room is like a blank page in a storybook, and it's just waiting for you to fill it with magic, whimsy, and little pieces of yourself. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. What story is your fairy tale room going to tell?